The correct way to make a cradle bed in a daycare facility.
Yeah, but I didn't agree.
You didn't agree? Alright, so let's say why this is good for home. Remember, home and daycare is different, right? And when your child's in daycare facility now, you make the bed like this. Let's use a teddy bear. So, this is John, right? John. Right, so what John usually do is he usually puts his hands here, right? And John usually pulls it like this. So because the elastic is there, when rock John is collecting good, collecting, and he's fighting, and he nobody tells John to put his hands there, but you know, we have to be the one to ensure if he put his hands there, there's nothing to rock him. So this usually happens to John, right? Even without a ladder, the fact that elastic is something that's stretch so as you touch it flips, right? This one here now is here, right? Come closer. He's here, and he's trying to push his hands here. It's not so. He's trying to see if he can pull it, and he's trying, but he can't because why?
It's already not. It's tied at the bottom.
There is no elastic. As soon as you touch it, would flip up. It's tied with two ties, very tight. So this is the safest way, all right, to make up the bed when the child is in the daycare. All caregivers should know to make it up like this. This is one way. You pull the sheet and you tie. The other way now is where you can make it more safe and tie it under here. Will you see here? You can pull it under, you see here? And you put it, you make a tie right here. When you make a tie there, you know for sure that there's no way the child can raise it up, because our children, when they meet the age of 6 months, 4 months, 5 months, I should say, let's start from that, you'll find them rolling all over trying to pull, and they want to grabble on things. Alright, so this here is out. We advise that you don't use this. This is for home. Mommy can use it at home. But for the facility now, we advise that you tie the sheet and make the bed up the correct way.